Hello, welcome to science class. Meow.
Hello, welcome to science class. It's me, Teacher Nep, your science teacher. Today we will talk about the essential factors for living things. So, animals or living things have different food they eat to survive. So, as you can see, the living things need food, water, air, sunlight. But before I will discuss to you the different animals and each food and their food, we will first learn the vocabulary of this topic. Number 1, morning glory. You say morning glory. Number 2, grass. 3, sugar cane. 4, deer. 5, hawk. 6, frog. 7, paddy rice. 8, herbivore. 9, carnivore. 10, meat. Right. So after you practice them reading, you have to record the vocabulary. You have to record while you read the vocabulary, and after you record using your video, you have to send your video to my line. Okay, this is my line ID. You send it to my line ID. Okay, you have to write the vocabulary in your notebook, and after you write, you have to practice reading, and after you practice reading, also you have to write the translation, Thai translation of each word, so that you can understand the topic. And after that, you have to send your video to my line. Alright, so we will talk now about the different animals and their food. Okay, this is rabbit. Okay, a rabbit eat morning glory. This plant called morning glory. Okay, this is a rabbit eat morning glory. Okay, a cow. Read. A cow eats grass. This is a cow and this is a grass. A cow eats grass. Okay, this is a grass. Next one is elephant. An elephant eats sugar cane. Okay, this is elephant and this is sugar cane. Okay, an elephant eats sugar cane. Okay, you say it, sugar cane. Okay, next one is a tiger. This is a tiger eats a deer. Okay, this is a deer. This one is a deer and this one is a tiger. A tiger eats a deer. Next one, a hawk. Okay, this is a hawk eats a bird. Again, a hawk eats a bird. This is a hawk and this one here is a bird. Okay, next one, a snake. This is a snake eats a frog. This one is a snake. This is a snake eats a frog. This one is a frog. Okay, you say a snake eats a frog. You read, a snake eats a frog. Okay, so this is a frog and this one is a snake. Next one here is a dog eats rice and meat. A dog, this is a dog, eats rice and meat. This is rice and this one is a meat. Next one, a cat eats rice and fish. A cat eats rice and fish. This is a rice and this is a fish. Okay, this is a fish. Next one, a chicken eats paddy rice and worms. A chicken eats paddy rice and worms. This is a chicken or a hen, and this is a paddy rice, unmilled rice, and this is a worm. Okay, a worm, paddy rice. Okay. Next one here we have called herbivore. The first food of animals called herbivore. Okay, herbivore animals, the only living things that eat plants. Okay, living things that eat plants. For example, a cow. A cow is a living thing. A cow eats only plant like grass, leaf. Okay, they only eat plant, so they are called herbivore. Okay, if the living thing eats purely plant, they only eat purely plant, or okay, or eat only plant, they are called herbivore living thing. Next one here we have carnivore. Okay, carnivore, living things that eat meat. Okay, living things that eat meat. For example, tiger. The tiger eats meat. Okay, so a tiger is called carnivore because a tiger eats meat. Okay, usually or most of the time tiger eats meat. Okay, they don't like other food, they just like to eat meat, fresh meat. Okay, next one here is, okay, this one is a cow. A cow is a herbivore because a cow eats plants. Okay, we have different plants or vegetables. Cow likes to eat plants, so they are called herbivore. Next one here is carnivore. A lion eats meat, so a lion is a carnivore because a lion eats meat. Next one here we have omnivore. A parrot eats omnivore animals that eat meat and plants. Okay, omnivore animals that eat plants and meat. Okay, they eat two. Okay, I will write here again about other side. Okay, over here they eat living thing that eat meat, plant and meat. Okay, they eat two. Okay, so if the animals eat plant and meat, they are called omnivore. Okay, living thing that eat plant and meat. So the parrot eat fruits, the parrot eat vegetables, and the parrot eat worm. A worm is a meat, so a parrot is called omnivore. Okay, because parrot eat both plant and meat. Another one here is an elephant. An elephant is a herbivore because An elephant eat plant like sugarcane. Okay, this is a sugarcane. Elephants like to eat sugarcane or other plants. This one, crocodile. Crocodile is a carnivore. Yes, because a crocodile eat meat. Okay. Another one is a hawk. A hawk is this is a carnivore also. Okay. A hawk is a carnivore because a hawk eats meat. Okay. They like to eat meat. Hawk eat meat, so that's why a hawk is a carnivore. Another one here is a deer. A deer is a herbivore because a deer eat grass or eat plants. Okay, they eat plants to survive. Omnivore also. The duck is an omnivore because a duck eats plants and eat meat. Okay, the duck eats worm. The duck also eats berries. Okay, berries. Duck likes to eat berries and eat worm. So duck eats both plants and meat. So that is why the duck or ducks are omnivore. Okay. Next one here is a horse. A horse is a herbivore because a horse eats plants, okay, or grass. So that is why a horse or horses are herbivore. Okay, horses are, or a horse is a herbivore because a horse eats plant. Next one here is a dog. A dog is an omnivore because a dog eats rice and a dog eats meat. Okay, they eat rice and also they eat meat. So that is why dog is omnivore because dog eat both meat and plant. Rice is come from the plant. Alright, next one here is chicken. Chicken is omnivore because chicken eats both plants and meat. So that is chicken eat rice. Yes, and chicken also eat meat. Worm is a meat. So chicken is omnivore because chicken eats plants and meat. A rice is come from the plant and worm is a meat. So that is why chickens are called omnivore because they eat plant and meat. Another one here is a giraffe. A giraffe is a herbivore because a giraffe eats grasses and also eat carrots. They eat plants only. They don't eat meat. So a giraffe is a herbivore. Okay, now we will go to your activity number 2. Okay, your activity number 2, you are going to answer your book, page 31. Okay, you have to differentiate, you have to draw a line to match animals and their food. Okay, for example, you have that cat. What is the food of the cat? Right? You can see that in your book in page 31. Okay, so now in your page 32 of your book, you also see the different animals. You have to classify which animals in your book, page 32. You have to classify which animals is herbivore. You have to write it. Which animals is herbivore, which animals is carnivore, and which animals is omnivore. Okay, so just check it. For example, herbivore. Is it which animal is herbivore? What is herbivore? Herbivore animals that eat plant. Okay, what animals that eat plants. Okay, for example, number 1 is elephant. Okay, elephant is an herbivore because elephants eat plants. Carnivore. What is carnivore? Carnivore animals that carnivore eat meat. Okay, carnivore eat meat. So what animals that eat meat? Example, lion. Okay, you have to write there. Lion. Lion eat meat. So next one is omnivore. Omnivore animals that eat plant and meat. What animals that eat plant and meat? Okay. Example here is a parrot. A parrot eat plant and meat. So there are 4 items in each herbivore. There are 4. Carnivore, there are 4, and omnivore, there are 4. You just see the pictures in page 32. Which animals are herbivore, carnivore, and omnivore. And also you have to answer also your page 33 of your book. We have that living things. What are the things needed for living things? I already talked about that a while ago. The living things need food, water, air, and habitat. Okay, a house. And your last activity, number 5, you have to take a video of yourself. Speak loud while identifying the pictures in every slide. Okay? Okay. You tell me, what is that? Number 1. Number 2. Okay, and after you identify, after you record, you have to send your video to my line. Okay, this is my line ID here, so you have to send your answers and video. That's all for today, and have a good day, everyone.